Hello my dreamers, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am in a different environment. This is my guest room and I decided to take advantage of this room and decided to film in here today. I just feel like I needed a different background. I'm starting to get tired of my old one. I'm trying to switch things up a little bit, so you may see that the lighting is a little bit different. I am still trying to work on it. I am in front of a window, so I'm just trying to get some natural lighting in. So I'm so sorry if this lighting is a little off. I'm so excited for this video and I don't want it to be bad. And for today's video, I am going to be trying out the new Pat McGrath palette. This is the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. She just launched this palette not too long ago. I am just so excited to use this palette for today's tutorial. At first when I saw this palette, I was like, oh my god, I may not be able to afford this. But surprisingly, it was only $78, and that probably may be due to the packaging. It is cardboard and it's not as luxe as the black ones that she usually comes out with, which is really heavy and really luxe feeling. So maybe that is the reason why. Maybe the formula might be a little different as well. I'm not too sure why the price point is a little bit lower, but I'm still happy regardless because I was able to steal this palette for a cheaper price. It is much bigger and it has so many more shades. This cute pink packaging, the gold detailing. The back has the names of the palette, which is really helpful. The inside has beautiful, beautiful shades. But if you want to see how they look like, then you gotta keep on watching. And boom. There are 18 shadows in this palette and we have a lot of purples in here, which is right up my alley. And then we have some shimmers, we have dual chromes, and we have some matte shade. Nice sized mirror here. So before we start off with the look, we always got to go in with a base for the eyes. This is the P. Louise base. I always want to go in with a crease color first, so I'm going to go in with this light pink shade. I really do want to go in with the purple shades. So I am going in with this darker purple shade. This one is called Venomous Void. Dragging a little bit of it on the inner corners. If I'm being completely honest, the mattes are a little bit harder to blend. I do see a little bit of chalky parts that I had to kind of go in and blend some more. Let's move on to a shimmer shade because I know a shimmer shade would look so good right now. Let's go into it, this pearly gold shade here, which is called Lunar Champagne. I'm going to wet my brush. It's so like foily. I love it. Let's also go in with this purple shade right here. This one right here, it's kind of like a dual chrome. And I'm just going to apply this right in the parts where the gold shade and the purple shade are. Oh, you could definitely see like a blue shift on there. I don't know if you guys can tell. Wow. Yeah, I'm like amazed. So pretty. So this is the eyes so far. For foundation, I am going in with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. The foundation is so full coverage, I feel like I'm wearing like a mask or something. Let's tone this down with some concealer. This is the usual e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I don't think I'm gonna be changing concealer anytime soon because I've just been really loving that concealer. And I just feel like this concealer works with like every foundation. Alright, let's bronze her up with the Morphe Glamour Bronze. For blush, this one is really exciting because I've been waiting to use this new blush from Patrick Ta. This is the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. This is in the shade Do We Know Her. I'm going to be applying the powder part first and then I'll apply the cream after. I love that there's like a little cover for the cream because it can get a little bit messy, so I just close that up. So I'm going in with the bottom color. It's so pretty. Like you can always just use the powder or the cream by itself, but I kind of do want to use a little bit of the cream. This just applies so easily, like it just blends so nicely. This is the Makeup Eraser Blender. I'm going to wet it a little bit. I'm using the flat side right here. And taking the top part, I could see it get a little bit darker. Okay, you guys see that? Oh my god, it became so much more brighter. Alright, this looks a little bit too intense. Sometimes if I feel like my blush is a little bit too much, I do go in with a little bit of powder and I do try to like tone it down a little bit with the powder. So I do kind of go in between like the nose area, kind of like go a little bit over the blush. Just I got a little bit carried away. Alright, I want to go back into the eyes real quickly. Starting off with the crease color, or I may just go in with a different color because I just want to try the other colors. But I am going in with the pink crease shade first. Let's go in with this dark shimmer purple shade. This is called Violet Void. This is like the perfect smoky purple color. And then we are also going in with the liner. I just feel like it's very fitting for this eye look because it looks really dramatic. I was trying to find my brown eyeliner, but I have no idea where the eyeliner went, so I had to go with the black eyeliner. And this is just the KVD Vegan Beauty tattoo liner. I want to add a little bit of color on the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just going in with that champagne shade to apply that on the inner corners. Nothing too dramatic. And for today's lashes, I'm using this velour set. It comes with the glue and like an applicator. I actually got this from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, so it was a good steal. I only got it for $9.99, and usually this would cost like $29, almost $30, so total steal. This is in the style Mama Knows Best, and it's one pair of silk lashes. So my lashes are on. I'm sorry, the lighting might be a little different now because I have to actually just use my ring light. The sun is starting to go down and it's starting to create the blinds. I don't know if you guys seen that, but you can kind of see like the little blinds on my shirt, so I just kind of close them up and just use my ring light. So I'm so sorry if this video is all over the place, but I'm almost done with this look. I have my lashes on, and I love them so much. For highlighter, I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Indigo Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm going in with this shade called 143. Do you see that? Crazy. Like, all of these shades are like so pigmented and so intense. I have lips. This is the MCGRATH Labs Lip Fetish Divino Lip Shine, and this is in the shade Belle Amour. I have been wanting to try this MCGRATH lipstick so badly. I bought it a while back and I've just been waiting to try it out. It's like a nice violet purpley color. Okay, so I have to apply it like a couple of times to get like the best pigment. It's like a nice wine color. It's so pretty. Alright, to finish off, we have spray. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. And I'm back. Now I feel like I look a little decent with this makeup on. I did end up liking this look a lot. I always feel like my look is always a little bit like hesitant in the beginning, but then it kind of just all turns out so well together. Like, the blush was a little bit, I feel like it was a little bit red. It didn't really pair well with the like eye color, in my opinion. And then the lips, I feel like it was a little bit too on the burgundy side and not like purple enough. But after like doing my hair and everything, I just feel like everything turned out nice. I have like mixed emotions on the palette because I feel like the mattes were really giving me a hard time. Thankfully, there isn't a lot of mattes color in there. It's like literally like 3 shades. So I think this is a big win for the palette because there are more shimmers than there are mattes. And for the price point, it's not bad at all. I really do like it. This blush, I am in love with it. I do want to try it with other looks. As you saw, it was really pigmented. It was so easy to apply. I feel like the powder blush here was definitely more pigmented than his other blush. I feel like I have to build it a little bit more. This one, I feel like just a couple of sweeps on my cheeks and it was like already very pigmented, so I like that a lot. I do like the cream. It was really easy to apply. The lips, it was also really nice on the lips. I do really love the color. It's a very nice like glossy look. It's not too matte, which will make your lips very uncomfortable. So, and I love this color so much. Like, this color, when I saw it, I knew this is the color that I wanted to get out of all her other lipsticks. So yeah, I'm really happy with this look, and I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I hope you guys pick up this palette, give it a try. If not, you can always return it. Me, I will be keeping this palette and trying out some more. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And without further ado, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!